Okay, so I've been checking on your past continuous tense responses, and these are the only people who had it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 people had it in on the past continuous tense. So I'm not sure what's going on. You probably try to do my other works over this weekend, or so today I'm going to explain the past continuous tense that I have it on the Google Classroom. Okay, where is it? Okay, so do you still remember the structures of past continuous tense? What is it? It starts with subject, right? Plus what is the structures? Once you think of past continuous tense, you think of ing, right? But it's the past, so you're supposed to say subject plus verb to be, which is was or were, right? And then plus the ing. Okay, so here, let's go. Number one, what is it? We what do you have? We, anyone? Look at the structures. Subject plus was and were and ing. So we using with were, right? Oops, sorry. It's a little bit too big. We using with were. So we cut these two off and then plus the ing. So we were walking down when we saw the woman, right? And number two, while I something for English test yesterday, my brother fun with his friends. What is your answer for this one? What is your answer for this one? While I something for English test yesterday, my brother fun with his friends. What should you say? I using with was, right? I using with was. What about my brother? What are you using? Was or were? My brother. Guys, are you listening? Can you hear me? I just wonder, can you hear me? Anyone? Please respond if anyone can hear me. Let me see. Okay, please turn on your camera. Let me see your face. Okay, thank you. Please turn on your camera and try to follow this exercise, okay? So try to answer it so I know that you're listening. This is hard. I cannot see your face, and it's like I wonder if you understand or if I'm speaking too fast. So just let me know. Just try to answer it so I know, okay? All right. So number two, while I, what is it? I using with was or were. You have to keep in mind is either was or were and then ing, right? So what is it? while I anyone while I was, right? I have to use with was and then follow with yes, while I was studying. Understand? While I was studying for English test yesterday, my brother
Was having.
good was having, not having. Okay, this one is wrong. We don't have having here. Okay. All right. Number three. Number three. What did you say? I what?
อันนี้ส่งที่360นะครับ
What did you say?
I was listening to you.
Very good. I wasn't listening to you, right? I wasn't listening to you. So it can only be was or were. That's why you have to use wasn't or weren't. And this one for this case, I using with was. All right. Number four. Number four. What is it? They.
Were.
Good. Were they swimming when the phone rang? Okay. So keep in mind that past continuous tense normally they'll pair with past simple, when something is continuing having the activities, another activities abruptly happened. This one is things that suddenly happen in the middle of the activities. That's why we're using past simple, which I think we'll talk about that later. This one I just want to let you see how it works with past continuous and past simple together. Okay, number five. Mrs. Adams was
Having.
good. Having, right? Having is so wrong, and the rest they need ing. That's why they're wrong. Number six. Tom wasn't reading a book. What is it? Tom wasn't reading a book. He
was feeding.
very good. He was feeding the dog. Okay, the rest of the class, please try to answer too, not just paint. Okay, this is the whole class, not the private lesson. So paint just got all the knowledge. Number seven. This one, add. It's a name of a person. Ed and Helen, two people. So what should you use to make it past continuous tense?
What are Ed and Helen doing?
Right, they were both, right? But however, this is past. It's in the past. You cannot use are. What do you use? What were?
Were.
Good. What were Ed and Helen doing when you broke the glass? Okay. Number eight. Let's say 6 o'clock. Oops, sorry, that's so big. Okay, my mother.
Watching.
Good. My mother was watching the ditch. This one I did it wrong though. This one. This one's supposed to be ditches. I forgot to change it. Not dished. Okay. My mother was watching the ditches at 6 o'clock yesterday. Number 9. Katie and Neymar. Two people.
Were drawing.
Very good. Were drawing. Okay, the picture when I entered the class. Next one, number 10. I broke a glass while I
Was drinking.
good, while I was drinking tea. Number 11. My sister burnt her finger while she
Was cooking.
was cooking. Number 12. This one, my father and my mother. Make them both past continuous tense. Because
Was reading, was performing.
good. My father was reading the newspaper while my mother was vacuuming the floor. Okay, they're using while. So this one is explain both people doing the activity at the exactly same time. Number 13. The student what?
Were talking.
Very good. The students were talking because it has an S. It's make it plural, right? Number 14. I couldn't watch the match because
I
match.
was doing.
Yes, I was doing. That means like a football competition or the basketball, that the match means the games that have two teams goes against with each other. Could be a soccer or basketball or not a tennis, just for, a group of people playing two teams against each other. That's called a match. Number 15. I broke that window while I
Was painting.
good while I was painting. Okay. Oops, sorry. Number 16. Yesterday at 6. That means 6 o'clock.
I was preparing.
Good. I was preparing, right? You don't have to say like yesterday at 6 o'clock. Just say yesterday at 6. And people will know that it is the time, not the number or the quantity. Number 17. The kids
Were playing.
good. We're playing in the garden because it's more than one, right? Have to use were. We're playing in the garden when it suddenly started to rain. Number 18. While
I was studying.
good. While I was studying in my room, my sister left home. Oops, sorry. Number 19. Number 19. The teacher tries to explain, but they what? This one using but, right? Something has to be completely different.
Listening.
Right, they weren't listening. Okay. But if this one using and instead of but, you have to pick this choice for and. Okay. Number 12. At 6 o'clock last night. Good. Were you doing your homework at 6 o'clock last night? Okay. So here is our here is the explanation. Why do
ไปดูอุบัติเหตุที่เกิดขึ้นเมื่อช่วงเย็นที่ผ่านมากันหน่อยครับ
So you have to go to Google Classroom and where is it? Try and do this one. Okay, past continuous tense. All right, I'm gonna let you do it now. So as I can see, only not even half of the class have done this. So I'd like you to do it now. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it short today, and I'm gonna let you do it. All right. Okay, do you have any questions for today?
No.
No? Okay. Please, after this, when I leave the room, please, I'm sure that you do this one, right? Please do your work. Okay? Past continuous tense. This one, okay? You saw all the answers, all right? Okay, I will see you tomorrow. All right, please do this. I will check it, okay? All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.